Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have a really exciting Christmas collection from Crabtree and Evelyn. So the Crabtree and Evelyn 2018 Christmas collection is inspired from the 1970s. So there's a lot of monochromatic colors and a really vibrant packaging this year, and it's really exciting. We have some really nice gift sets, and I have a few here today to share with you and to show you. So let's get started. But first, if you haven't already, please subscribe. I post once a week. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Thank you so much for watching. So let's get started into the video. So the first one I have is the Hand Therapy Trio Christmas cracker, and it's called Join Hands, and it's the Hand Therapy Trio. So as you can see, the packaging is very contemporary, it stands out, it's really nice to kind of have displayed as a Christmas cracker, you know, on Christmas lunch or dinner. So in this little set, you get the Gardener's Hand Cream, Rose Water and Pink Peppercorn, that's actually one of my favorite ones, and La Sauce. So you have a really nice little collection in there. I'm actually going to leave all the details down below as well, so the price and also where you can purchase these. So the next gift idea I have is a little Christmas bauble, and I love how cute these are. These are really nice, well thought out, I think, gift ideas. And this is the Groovy Goatmilk treats, and I'm going to open what's inside. I have to peel this off first. I don't really have any nails to do this, but anyway. So you open this up, okay, and then when you open it up, you get the little treats inside. So this one has the goat milk and oat soothing body lotion. That's in a 50 ml. You have the soothing shower milk in the 50 ml as well. And then you have another, like a mini hand therapy hand cream. I think this is a really great gift. This is really great for anyone that likes minimal scent. I mean, there is some scent to it, but it's not a heavy scent. The next little stocking stuffer, and I think this could be my favorite, only because I have a sweet tooth. This is something that I think most people would really enjoy as a gift for Christmas. And this is a Cranberry and Clementine fudge, and yes, this is actual fudge. I love that Crabtree and Evelyn also have treats, like they have fudge, they have sweets, and they have like all these yummy things for Christmas time as well. So if you ever go into their store, check them out because they're really nice. And this is another Christmas bauble, so I'm going to open this up and show you what's going on inside. You open it up, and then you have some really nice cranberry fudge for Christmas. I think this would be such a great, if you have a person that really enjoys sweets and things like that, like myself. This is a really great gift, really like a luxurious gift to give in terms of sweets and things like that. So I really like this one as well. So that is it for the stocking stuffers. So now I have two holiday sets. Again, are in this same packaging, and I have the Rock the Hands Baby Hand Therapy Ritual set. So this is a really nice set for anyone that is really into moisturizers. These are really great just for anyone that wants to give a gift to someone and they're not sure what to give. I think something like this is such a great idea. So what you get inside, I love this packaging. Again, I think all these boxes are really reusable as well because they're really well made, and definitely recycle and use them for like little things to put inside. But anyway, this set you get 3 of the small hand lotions. So there's the La Sauce again, which is like an ultra moisturizing hand cream. I usually use this one every day. I have one at home. You get the Rose Water and Pink Peppercorn hydrating one that smells really lovely, and then you have the Gardener's one, which is like a really ultra moisturizer for your hands, like especially in the winter time. I think it's really great. And then you get this little case with it. This, you could put all your hand creams in there, or I would probably just keep this as a makeup case. It's a really good size as well. with the same kind of detail, kind of like stripy packaging. Really cute, really nice set. The last set I have is the Lavender and Espresso Beauty Sleep Box. So it's in this really nice purple packaging, and what you get inside so as you can see, it's very luxurious, it looks very expensive, and it's just a gift that if you're not sure what to give someone, you want to give them quite a luxurious gift for Christmas, something like this would be really nice. They're also available in a lot of different scents and things like that, so they have those in store, but today I have the Lavender and Espresso range. And so what you get with that is you get a body wash, so that comes in the 250 ml, and then you get the Lifestyle Mist, which is so good. It's like a mist that you spray around the house, and this is the lavender, ginger flower, cardamom, clove and black pepper, kind of like house spritz. So you just spritz this around. So you can also spray this, you know, in the bedroom or any room. You spray it into the air away from your face, and you can also spray this on your pillows and things like that to give it a really nice scent. The last thing that you get in this box is the Lavender and Espresso Calming Body Lotion. So this is a really nice, again, body lotion that makes your skin really soft. It has a really nice scent. It's not too overpowering, so if you don't like heavy scented moisturizers but you still want a little bit of something, this could be a really nice one for you. And I don't think that this would interfere with your fragrance too much either. It's really nice. So yeah, so that is the Dream On Lavender and Espresso Beauty Box. Really, really beautiful set. So that is it from my Crabtree and Evelyn holiday haul. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Let me know below what's your favorite holiday set for 2018. I'd love to know, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.